Will AI replace teachers? AI is entering classrooms around the world, tutoring students, grading papers, and even designing lesson plans. But here's the big question. Will AI replace teachers? In this video, we'll explore how AI is transforming education and whether human teachers are at risk. Part 1. AI as a tutor. AI-powered tutors like ChatGPT can explain complex concepts, answer questions instantly, and adapt to each student's pace. This is something no single teacher can do for every student at once, making education more accessible and personalized than ever before. Part 2. Grading and admin. AI is being used to grade tests, mark essays, and handle paperwork, freeing teachers from hours of repetitive work and allowing them to focus on providing more personalized instruction and one-on-one student support. Part 3. Personalized learning. AI can design learning paths tailored to each student's strengths and weaknesses. Imagine a maths class where every student gets exercises at exactly their level. AI makes that possible, ensuring that no student is left behind or held back. Part 4. The risks. But here's the flip side. AI doesn't understand human emotions, motivation, or the value of connection. A machine can explain a formula, but it can't inspire a child to believe in themselves. That's where the irreplaceable role of a human teacher comes in, providing the encouragement and personal connection that truly fuels learning. So, will AI replace teachers? Not entirely. It will reshape the teaching landscape. Teachers who embrace AI will thrive. What do you think? Would you trust an AI as your teacher? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more insights.